Today we will look at 4 formats within Padlet. The wall format, this enables brainstorming activities for instructors. Students find this a way of building community within their subject. The canvas format, instructors can use this as a connected application to group their thoughts and ideas together to support the development of formative activities for their students. The shelf format, instructors can use this to post questions relevant to the topic. For example, a key point in a reading. Students can see this, what has been posted by their peers, and use this to formulate new ideas or enrich existing ideas about a specific concept. The stream format, students can post questions or concepts relating to an area within their subject. Perhaps they might have questions about an assessment task, and this could be answered by their other peers or by the instructor. We'll begin. I've created a wall, as you can see, called EEL523. I've created this within the guidelines of the instructions that are within this presentation and the link to which is in this presentation. They are step-by-step instructions and should allow you to be able to create this quite easily yourselves. I'm just looking at this from a pedagogical point of view and the ways we can use this as far as pedagogy and learning and teaching for our students and ourselves. So the first format we've got here is a wall. The wall, I've created 3 posts and it is just a wall. You can create a post here that post 4, and it just puts it randomly within the wall. As I said, you can use a wall for brainstorming activities. The post can be moved around at any given time, and other posts can be created by yourself or your peers. Students can use this to introduce themselves to them and create community within the subject. The second format that we'll look at today is the canvas format. And you can see all of our posts here. They should be, but they're not. Yes, they are. They're just everywhere. So with this, you can connect to any one post. So if you connect to a post, you can connect to this one by using the 3 dots on the top right. You might connect to this one, and again to this one. That way you can actually gather your thoughts together to formulate ideas about assessment tasks or however else you might like to use it. The third format is the shelf format. So this one. And this is where you can actually put, like, these are the different posts. So this section here could be a question about except this one could be another question. And you can see that people, like, your posts are here, and people can create a post here that will, a draft post as well. We'll just delete these because that's a bit confusing, I think. So your question is there, and then your students will post in response. And that will go there. One. And publish again for this section as well. Just delete these ones because we don't need them. You can see here that they will create a draft for you, so you don't actually lose anything by not publishing it. The fourth format that we'll look at today is the stream format. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. Here's the stream format. And you can see here, I've added comments here, but we might be able to, like this might be question 1. So we might edit this one. Then we'll add a comment here. And then someone might paste another question. Assessment to do. You can publish that and someone else could comment here. Now you can see that the most recent post is placed above the other ones, so that like the most recent is the first one you will see, which is good. And and you can add a comment there to answer those questions. That's it as far as the formats that I wanted to show you today. However, when we go to our settings to share and export, if you wish to keep the posts that your students create or the formats that you've created for your session and to use the next session, you can actually share, or you can save these as a PDF, you can save it as an image, you can save it to an Excel spreadsheet, you can print it. Those options allow you to keep what's on your Padlet walls, and as they're not kept by CSU in any way, but they can be kept by yourselves. That's it for Padlet, for the pedagogical side of Padlet today. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope it's helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.